Hello everyone, welcome. This will be the first of a many-part series on our new flat deck truck bed camper. So I'm standing in front of the new purchase, a 2007 GMC Sierra 1500 HD. It's probably junk, but it was cheap enough. So we'll see if we can turn it into something cool. I originally wanted a 2500 HD just because I need the payload for the truck bed camper. But came across this for a good price, and the payload difference is only 300 pounds. So it needs a bunch, as you can see, but the box is going to come off. It needs rockers and cab corners. It needs some touch up on some paint. It's got a nasty power steering leak. It's got the 6-liter gas engine. It's got the 8-bolt stud, heavy-duty axles, 4L80 transmission. It's a 4x4. Everything on it works. The interior is in great shape. Just needs a good clean. So today we will be getting into it, taking care of some of the obvious stuff, and we'll go from there. So today we got the power steering pressure hose, some fuel tank straps, front stabilizer links, we got plugs and wires, a front impact airbag sensor, it's for the oil change, air filter, and a door handle. Next up is the power steering pressure hose, which the connection's way under there, which looks like it won't be fun to get to. That one's easy to get to, so we'll get into this one. Okay, so the power steering pressure hose is all done. New one on, got fluid in it, everything's good. The majority of that was easier from underneath the truck, getting to the line on the pump, but it's good to go. Got fluid in it, no more leaks. On to the next. So, we're doing the sway bar link next. As you can see, it is missing. So we'll go ahead and get that done. Okay, next up is the front impact air sensor. I don't know if you guys can see that. This guy right here. So I gotta pull this out and do all that. I'll get that thing changed and ready to go. Okay, I got that sensor all in. Let's see if my light is out. Flashing. Hey, look at that. Done. Okay, perfect. Next up is the fuel tank straps. I'll show you a clip here. This is how I got it. So, got the ratchet strap up there, so I'll set you guys up and we'll get these changed out. Fuel tank straps are done. That was a lot of dirt in the face, but I got it done. Next up, I'll probably tackle this door handle because she's a little broken. So we'll do that, and almost done. Okay, well that door handle was a breeze to do. Like, I've done older GMs like the OBS Chevys, and they are such a pain in the butt. This one was super easy, so pretty stoked about that. I guess I'll just finish up with the oil change, get the spark plugs done, and probably call it a day. Okay, so we're done the oil change, done the spark plugs, done the fuel tank straps, done the power steering pressure hose, driver's rear door handle, and the sway bar link in the front. So I feel a lot better about at least driving this thing for the next little bit. Next up, we'll be doing the rocker panels and cab corners. After that, we'll be doing the flat deck on here. And then from there, we'll be doing the whole flat deck camper and all of that. In the back here, this seat will come out, and then I'm gonna build a box platform thing for the dogs, storage underneath, other than that, she'll be ready to go soon enough. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Click subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.